If you have been following this cashew fruit series, then you already know our mission: to turn what many people consider farm waste into valuable long-lasting products. We have made juice, we have made wine, and today we are going to make something very simple but very valuable: cashew fruit jam. Just like when making cashew juice, we only need the fruit, the part that is usually thrown away after nuts are removed. We start by removing the nuts from the cashew fruits. Then wash the fruit thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. After washing, I transfer the fruit into my blender and blend until smooth. You don't need to add water during blending because the cashew fruit already contains a lot of natural juice, which helps the blending process. Once the fruits are smoothly blended, I transfer the mixture into a cheesecloth and squeeze out the juice. Now, here is something very important. There are two ways to make cashew jam. You can make the jam using only the juice, or you can make the jam with the pulp included. But the recipes are not exactly the same, so I will make a separate video showing how to make the pulp version. For this one, we are making jam using the juice only. So I continue blending and extracting until all the fruits are processed and all the juice is collected. Once done, I transfer the juice into a cooking pot and start cooking on low to medium heat. As the juice starts heating and boiling, you will notice some foam or sediment floating on the surface. Use a spoon to skim off all the sediments and foam from the top. Keep skimming until the surface becomes clearer. This helps improve the color and quality of the jam. After removing the sediments, we now add sugar. The ratio I'm using is 3:1. That is 3 parts cashew fruit juice and 1 part sugar. Stir very well to combine. After about 2 minutes, I add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, then stir until it is completely incorporated. The cinnamon adds a very nice flavor and aroma to the jam. Then continue boiling and stirring as the mixture reduces. When the juice has reduced to about half its original volume, we add our citric acid solution. I dissolve half teaspoon of citric acid in 1 tablespoon of water. Stir until completely dissolved. Then add it to the jam and stir very well. The citric acid helps with preservation, taste balance, and also helps the jam set better. If you don't have citric acid, you can replace it with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Continue stirring and cooking as it thickens. Make sure you stir regularly so it does not burn at the bottom. Keep cooking until you reach the thickness you like. But remember, jam becomes thicker when it's cool, so don't overcook it. Finally, add few drops of vanilla essence, then stir well to combine. I'm okay with this consistency, so I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to cool down slightly. Now, I transfer the jam into a clean glass jar, and just like that, our cashew fruit jam is ready. Perfect for bread, toast, pancake, and many other things. And this is another way we are turning cashew fruit from something that is thrown away into something valuable, delicious, and long-lasting. From cashew fruit, we can make juice, jam, syrup, wine, vinegar, and many more products. So instead of letting it waste on the farm, we turn it into value. Stay connected. We are still going to make more amazing products from cashew fruits.